Alright, today we're HDB Springview HDB Estate and this is 290F Bukit Batok Street 24. If you're looking for a spacious 5-room flat with a balcony that sees greenery and serenity, you are right for this home tour. Do stay with Property 65 as we unravel this exclusive gem just for you.
This 5-room flat is a greenery retreat for nature lovers. All of the bedrooms and even the living room is facing this lush greenery.
Welcome home. The living room is a sanctuary of relaxation. Head out to the balcony over there and you can see the balcony overlooks greenery and serenity. It's a very quiet environment to stay in this lovely home.
Located along 290F Bukit Batok Street 24, this unit is only 3 bus stops away from Bukit Batok MRT, 2 minutes walk to Block 292 for the coffee shops and minimarts, 4 minutes walk to Giant Supermarket at Block 284, and 5 minutes walk to NTUC Supermarket at Block 280. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 7 primary schools within 2 km radius. Within 1 km, you can find Bukit View Primary School and Kerming Primary School. This is one of the few HDB estates in Bukit Batok with a size of 1,302 square feet.
And the owners are very smart. They actually converted this original kitchen into a more functional layout, which gives you an additional space in the dining area.
The owner also reconfigured the kitchen so that it maximizes the dining area. They did so by hacking down the wall between the living and the dining room,
giving you a 40% extra space over here.
And they built the wall closer to the kitchen while not compromising the kitchen space, as the yard maximizes the size of the full kitchen. This unit is sized at 1,302 square feet. It comes with a super spacious living and an extended dining area, 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom and an enclosed kitchen. The living room is expansive, bathed in natural light streaming through large windows that offer greenery views of the surrounding landscape. It is also adorned with comfy sofa and armchairs arranged around a central coffee table, creating a cozy yet luxurious ambience. The dining room is seamlessly integrated into the space, featuring a large, elegant dining table surrounded by comfortable oriental chairs. You also get to enjoy a study room space. A sturdy and spacious desk is in the centerpiece. However, it also provides ample space for a computer, writing materials, and any other study essentials. Step into this fully functional kitchen with an unobstructed view that will inspire your culinary adventures. The kitchen is designed for efficiency and functionality, featuring durable appliances and creating a sleek and organized space. The family-friendly bathroom is designed to accommodate the needs of multiple users, including children and adults. It features a combination of a bathtub and a shower, making it versatile for different bathing preferences. The common bedrooms are decorated in soothing colors like soft blues or earthy tones, creating a calm ambience. Spacious enough to accommodate a queen or even a king-size bed and bedside tables. The wardrobe space is compact but efficient, with organizers to maximize storage. Where can I find more eatery and shopping options? With 1 MRT stop from Bukit Batok MRT, you'll be at Jurong East MRT, where you can shop at Gem Mall and find famous shops such as Cathay Cineplex Cinemas, Chanel, Charles & Keith, Din Tai Fung, Canton Paradise, and even an IKEA store here. You also can transit to the East-West line and head to Tanjong Pagar in just 8 MRT stations. Such a convenient location for residents who are working in the CBD district. What's more, Bukit Batok Nature Park is just nearby, perfect for your morning run or jogging session. Finally, introducing the master bedroom, where the floor-to-ceiling height and the windows flood the room with natural light, accentuating the sense of openness and airiness. You can redesign into a king bed with plush headboard that invites you to sink into the comfort at the end of the day.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you like this hidden gem. If you want to view this unit, feel free to contact us and we can be found on all social media platforms. Please like, share and subscribe and always share this video to all of your friends and family. And if you want a papaya over here, there's a beautiful papaya tree that has many. Please come down to get a papaya and to view this lovely home. And once again at Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher. Contact us to explore your choices today.